Oh, okay. This is like vlogger levels. So I need to be here?
Yeah.
Hi guys! Let me tell you how to obtain the driver's book. First and foremost, you have to be 18 years old. And second,
Hi, Miss Fina. How are you?
Hi! I just got my driver's book and I'm so excited to start my driving lessons with Mr. Ahmed.
All
Let's
right,
go.
that's great. Okay, let's go. Miss Fina, how are you? Can you please tell us how you get your book? And by the way, congratulations and welcome to our driving school.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Ahmed. So let me tell
You're
you
welcome.
guys how to obtain the driver's book. First and foremost, you have to be 18 years old and above. And second of which is that you do have to complete all the requirements from the ROP. The requirements would include an eye test, a blood test, and 2 photos with white background. And please don't forget to bring your resident card with you. So once you have completed already all the requirements, you can just go to the ROP office at Kurum, and from there you can process everything. That's very easy, and then that's how I got my driver's book.
All right, Mabruk.
Great!
Thank you.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start my driving lessons now. So first and foremost, you have to ensure that you are seating properly and that you're comfortable with your seat. So just ensure that the distance from the steering wheel is this to your chest. And after that, you have to ensure as well that you will be putting on your seat belt, put on the hazard sign, and I'll be going on reverse. Handbrake down.
What?
And you have to be looking as well to your back if there are like cars from the back.
Okay. All right, Miss Fina, you're doing very good.
Okay.
All right,
Brake.
steering straight, yeah. You turn
And
straight.
always ensure that you will be at the right side of the road while driving. Okay guys, bye and see you in the next video.
All right.